Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Azadi Warzone, my friends. Today we are going to be playing Battlefield Battle Royale. I played this game a bit before, but really the random players are so selfish, so bad. Even the Apex randoms are better than this game. This game's randoms. You're gonna be surprised seeing this skill level in this game. So let's see what we're going to be finding in this game mode with random. Let's go. Hello, Nufak. Obviously there is no microphone in this game. Nobody speaks. They are very, very antisocial. Very selfish. Unbelievable. So if we find a good play in this game, we'll be so happy. Let's see if we'll find. Bam bam bam. Ba ba bam. Bam bam bam. Ba bam. $99. Let's go. I'll monitor as needed. Be ready for updates. Where do you want to go, buddy?
You are green lit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Nobody comes? I think nobody landed here. But you can't know. You never know.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
$50 bullets. That's not enough. That's never enough. Into this new world. Was that you? I heard the explosion.
Found over to that location.
Got a new mission for you.
What's going on? One more team, I gotta get away.
Request ISR, area marked.
I think I heard two teams.
UAV inbound. Hang tight.
This game is so weird, man. But when you crouch or prone,
Is up. It's marked on your map.
the drone or the scan doesn't catch you. What? How does it work?
Look alive. A friendly's redeploying. Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Fuck me, man. I missed all my shots. I think they are far. Give me breast. Right now.
Hey, look at me. You stay with me. Hang in there. That's it. Stay with me.
Ah! Stay alive. Stay alive. Unlucky, man. I'll bring you. Don't worry. I'll bring you.
You're headed back in.
Hey, got a ride over here.
Oh, there's someone here. He was low. There were two, all right. This doesn't count.
Your side's been wiped
I needed
out.
to wake
Next
up.
time, step it up.
Now I'm awake. This doesn't count. I'll be back.
coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed. You are greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Let's go, brother. You are the jump leader. Are we going here? Here?
Move to that location.
Get a rocket on it!
Hey, that's a big win without
Got a
intel.
free
Keep
rifle
it up.
over here.
Free rifle over there, buddy. Take that.
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
I'm seeing a free PDW over here.
Why does he speak like this?
I need supply drop as much.
Roger. On the way.
Good loot, good loot. Assault rifle.
Here's a rifle if you need one.
SMG. I think I like this weapon, man. Mobility suppressor.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
So we ran faster with this weapon. Let's do a mission.
All right. Hostiles are picking up your signal.
I'll go to the right side.
Check out those sensors to keep them off your trail. Good job. Start tracking the next target.
Go fast, man.
Good work. Cleared the objective and dumped the target on you.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Roger that. Stand by.
Get a rocket on it!
Personal defense weapon mark. Contact! Enemy infantry! Sniper!
Let's kill them. They're at the house. Go. He's on the roof, on the roof.
Sniper contact! Get the lockdown points! Move! Contact! Enemy helo! Sniper contact! Contact! Enemy infantry!
Gotcha.
Enemy infantry!
Was that you? Into the brave new world. Oh no. Good job, buddy. Good job. I see no one. I see no one.
There's a signal detected nearby. Do what you can to find it and figure out
Let's
what's
complete
going
this. Good job.
Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Encryption in progress. Stay alive and stay frosty. Burn zone's closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it.
This is stupid. I see you.
The more we can learn about these enemy shooters, the harder we can hit them.
We are getting scanned.
Gadget up for grabs. Request ISR. Area marked.
Hey, Fern. On the way.
Good job.
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Hostile shooters.
Oh, they're very
coming
close.
to your area.
Two teams. One team is on the right side, and then
Got a dangerous spot here.
this team is on in the open.
Got a dangerous spot here.
They're probably gonna fight. We can third party them.
Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Hit one. Run, run, run! What's going on, man?
Request FMV over my position.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
So weird.
Roger that. Here it comes. That's it. No more second chance.
Where is he?
Get after it.
There gotta be someone here, someone else.
You've got a friendly rejoining the fight.
Spotted a custom weapon crate. Marking plate armor.
Let's get I think there's still one guy alive.
Custom weapon crate sighted.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Move to that location. Got a free rifle over here.
It's free. Nice. Let's see if it's gonna work well. Let's try to get the care package drop.
Spotted a custom weapon crate.
Get along to that waypoint! There's dangers here! Use caution! Watch my stick!
Contact, sniper! Let's rally on that RV point. Move!
Check your mission. That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Move, 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 move.
Area marked. Send it.
Roger. On the way.
Fuck you, bitches. Just survive. Just survive. That's right.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Into the world, brave new world. Nice try, man. It was hard. They were holding the positions. Wait. I'm gonna try to get a good weapon, man. Let me go back and create my loadout. Sorry. What I noticed, this weapon doesn't have speed with the bullets. Very slow. My bullets mostly stay behind the enemy when they are fast. What can make the bullets go faster? Mag? No, none of this. What can make the bullets go faster? None of this? So what? Nothing make the bullets go faster. Okay. Let's go LMG. LMG is right here. Well, we don't have good stuff for this weapon. Mobility. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. So if we choose this one, we have bigger map. Now we go with our loadout. And a good SMG, I think. Then we're ready. Let's go. Baram para bam baram baram. ¿Puedes ver si ha hecho algún partido, por favor? A las 9 echaban aún en la tele o en la... Let's see if it's gonna work this time. Sta juega América. Mal, ¿no? No.
Alright, get ready.
Hello, teammate. How's it going?
I need you to locate and eliminate all enemy shooters deploying across the area. I'll support in depth, so stay alert.
I am the jump master.
Be on that location.
You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
RV on that position.
I think nobody is here. Is this LMG or DMR?
Alright, missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can. Those classified materials could be a game changer. Nice work.
That area doesn't look good. I don't like the look of this.
There's someone here.
Frag away!
Check your missions.
Different team?
You got a friendly rejoining the fight.
Oh my god. He didn't miss. You died? How you died?
Stand by to jump off.
They kill you in the air?
Back in.
Oh, he left the game, no?
Romeo Delta Point Mark.
Man, who killed you?
Got your message.
Come back!
Reinforcements incoming. Hold tight till they redeploy.
This game sucks so hard. I don't know what's going on, man. I swear. I don't understand. There's no sound. There is nothing. There's no logic. Nothing. They come like ghosts. The solo game mode was good, man. Solo game mode. My teammate died in the air, man. I don't understand how he died. I'm telling you, man. I just heard a parachute. Someone was landing, but there was someone else already on the ground behind me. Where did you come from, man? Probably they were two different teams. They're just camping in the spawn points.
There's a redeploy point near you. Call in support if you have.
Hello, teammate. How's it going? Oh, there's a teammate. We are solo. That's good. That's good.
Zone's coming up. On the ground, take out everyone in the target area. All monitor is needed, so be ready for updates.
That's good. That's good.
Let's jump. Let me get dirty.
Go! Go solo!
They're gonna fight. We're gonna third them. No more boxes. That's it. Oh my god.
Your mission should be available, so get a move on. Counting on you. Hey, that's a big win with that intel. Keep it up.
Leave me alone, man. I need armor.
Request immediate supply drop here.
They're fighting.
Okay, here it comes. Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Goodbye. Yeah, camp right here, right? Stop it, man. Stop it.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
He's gonna revive. Did he die?
Request immediate attack.
Copy. Stand by. Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
All finished? I think we need to go. Go, 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 go.
Your mission is up. Marked on your map. Alright. You got a mil-spec laptop nearby. Secure it, start the download, and pull the drive. Mission slipped through the
Wow.
cracks, but you weren't done yet.
How did he know I was here?
That heat's coming in fast.
How?
You've got the intel. Use it.
Like, I knew he was there because the thing that was doing noise. But how did he know I was there? He was very aware of me. Let's go hot zone.
Bound over to that location.
Give me a weapon.
That's good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
Good shot. Goodbye. What are you doing, man? What are you doing here? $31 bullets. I don't like this optic, man. We got 2 SMGs.
Found an open Vic.
Can also go for care package drop. This game is much more fun playing solo, I swear. Probably people are camping in this care package. Low drop.
Battle's just heating up. You're heading to fight.
On the roof. How can I climb the roof? Can kill them easily.
Check your mission.
They don't know we are here.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness. No, run.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Man, you guys are terrible. Reload! Reload!
New mission available. Solid find on that intel. Keep taking
I'm
some more.
telling you, man, this game has no logic. I swear. I'm gonna go with LMG. High ground and see if there are people around us. Oh shit. I think I will need more ammo. What are you doing, man?
Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move. You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
What the heck was that? No fucking way. He was 1 HP. Unbelievable. He was 1
Guy's
HP.
been wiped out. Don't get hung up on it.
Oh my god. He's 1 HP, man. So unlucky. Probably I hit the fences.
Neutralize
I hit the
stay in
fences,
the fight.
not the
Nothing you
enemy.
can't handle.
That's why I died. GG's.
Half the fight's behind you. Time to step it up.
Controller, right? This guy's controller. He was 1 HP, dude.
Easy approaching. Those are hostiles jumping in, so and smoke check them. Updates to follow.
Hello, hello.
All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Let's go, hero. You are the hero. Got one.
Missions updated. Review them.
Good job.
Request immediate supply drop here.
Stand by. Supplies incoming. Got a new mission ready.
He's scanned already, right? Oh, this is LMG.
That area looks bad to me.
Need eyes on my lockstat.
Roger. On the way.
Got enemy in sight. Let's rally on that RB point. Move.
Follow me, follow me.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Oh, he's window. Nice. Nice. Oh, no. No. I don't know where I died. Just 10 seconds. Thank you. Salam alaikum.
All right. Square yourself away. You're headed back in. New mission is up. Mark on your map.
What is this game, man? What is this game? What are they doing? You killed one?
On it.
All right. New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Let's do a mission, huh?
Hey, get some bolt cutters and that resupply will be all yours.
Whiskey, why nobody speaks in this game, man? Nobody uses
There's a gadget at this location.
Okay, now put those bolt cutters to work.
bull cutters. To be honest, I like this weapon, man. It's crazy good. Oh, let's go!
This weapons cache is all yours. Take what you need.
Contact.
Keep your
Hostile troops
distance from
sighted.
those flames. Safety zone's
That
marked.
area looks bad to me. Request fire mission. Over.
Solid copy. Missile strike inbound.
It's finished?
Got enemy in sight.
Where was the airstrike? Whiskey, where is the airstrike?
RV on that position.
I'll take that. We are rich.
Hey, I found the ride.
Let's go for the care package. Drop.
I'm seeing a custom weapon crate here.
I need my loadout.
New mission available.
Custom weapon crate marked. Right in the back.
Gotcha.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Here it comes.
Request immediate supply drop here.
Roger. On the way.
I don't like the look of this.
Come. He's gonna rest. Nobody can rest while we are alive. He's resting.
Position mark, send it.
Roger. On the way.
Oh, there's a tank. There's a tank. Run.
Hang in there. That's it. Stay with me. Let's move.
Hey, thank you.
Come to me. I'm safe. Come. Nobody can see us here. Don't move! Do you have bazooka? We can kill him. If you have.
Got it. Strike inbound.
Nice.
All right. Mission is up. Mark on your map.
How did he die this fast?
That is a good find on those classified materials. Way to step it up.
I think now we have to chill, man. Oh, sniper, sniper, sniper. There's also a tank behind us. Let's go here.
Get to that RV point. Move. Feels dangerous
Battlefield
here.
is still
People on me?
crawling with hostiles. Stay alert. New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
There's a Vic over here.
Ordnance
People on me?
inbound. Get clear.
Rally on that location.
Oh my goodness, man. This tank.
That enemy Vic. Use thermite on it to get the crew to bail.
I never hear these guys, I swear. You are crazy, man. Oh, so unlucky. Nice try, man. Nice try. I could do better. Sorry.
Your side's been wiped out. You'll get it next time.
We were rock you. To be honest, I did not like my loadout. My LMG was so bad. Aynen. Long range. I like this one for close range, but I will still need a good weapon for long range. Control. This one looks good. It says variable. How do I change this? 1 to 4. With the better mag. I'm going to play some normal games. Maybe we can unlock this attachments. Let's try some normal games. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. I'm confused, man. I was in the house. Help me!
Need a medic!
He's getting away or getting close.
I need a fucking
They are
medic!
so close. Go, go, go!
Enemy explosives defused on objective Bravo.
Hostiles have armed explosives on objective Bravo.
Charge late!
Alright, an enemy tank!
Oh wow. What was that?
Enemy charges on Bravo have been defused.
Don't die, Unreal Killer, don't die! I'm so confused, man. He's right here. Bazooka guy. I'm gonna res. I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna heal. Heal the tank. Kill them, brother. Kill them. How did you know it was here? How?
Contact! Enemy helicopter!
Gotcha.
Keep up the good work.
Come on. Oh my god, he doesn't die. Yeah, very close.
Let's move!
Oh, behind us. Oh, my pink, he's crouching. Man, he was seeing you. I was telling you to not rest, buddy.
We need defensive support on the marked objective.
Good job, boys. You're cooking. How you're not dead, man? I think we should go medic. We should go medic. Killer, don't die. Take cover.
Defensive position is needed on the marked objective.
Soldier, now keep it up.
Enemy charges are set on Bravo.
I see you.
Hang in there.
Unlucky. It was a bad game. I see you. Attack and defend. What is this? I have no idea what is this. Lockdown. East Obek City, July settlement. I really like this map. This map is crazy. Hello, my friends. Sixteen players. I think it's enough. It's gonna be much more fun.
Target mission OBJs. Capture and hold.
Oh my god, this guy's cheating, no? What the heck? He didn't even know I was there. Crazy. This is crazy, man. This is so crazy.
You're leaving the AO. Return to combat.
Where do you think you're going, buddy?
Let's go.
Head glitch in bits. I thought you were gonna rest, man.
Be advised, you are exiting the combat zone.
Let's go!
I think it's a good spot. It's a good spot. Let's go take it.
We are winning the fight. Keep it up. Be advised, enemy lead confirmed.
Grab what you can!
I was about to res you, man. Don't give up easy.
Our forces control all objectives.
Come on! Need a fucking medic! Come on!
Turkish med supply!
Med supply! Enemy down! Taking fire! Need help!
Don't give up.
We're still ahead of the fight. Maintain your attack.
Dead house, big house.
Medic!
I'm resable. I'm resable. Thank you, buddy.
Grab what you can!
How are you alive, man? How are you alive?
Medic! Get down! Hang in there!
Hostiles have taken all objectives.
How are you alive, dude? How are you alive? How are you alive?
Keep this up and the fight is ours. Let's get it done.
We're not alone here! Fuck! Medic! Let's move!
No! Shotgun girl.
Need a medic!
Man, this guy is so bad. Oh, kiss. Nice, good job. I'm alive. I'm alive. 28 kills. This guy was cooking. Let's see if I have something different for my weapon. No max yet. And I unequip this. Mobility. I'll be very slow with this. Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun-dun. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Hello, hello, controller friends. Why it says 8 players only? Okay, our team is 8. Now we are starting. Let's go. Kill them all. Go, go, go. Here we are.
All units, capture the objectives and defend your position.
Hold the ground!
Yeah, faster.
Enemy forces have captured Alpha.
Gotcha. Nice busybody.
Yeah, good shooting.
I'm shooting.
Hold on!
Be advised, objective Bravo has fallen to the enemy.
Why I fell down, man. I didn't want to fall down.
Hostiles have taken all objectives. Our troops have captured Charlie.
Oh my god, there's no footsteps, man.
Enemy forces have captured Alpha. Bravo is under control.
Don't give up, guys. I can res you. I think I don't like my weapon. What the heck?
We have secured the lead.
Got smoke!
You're a lifesaver!
Right, objective Bravo has been secured. We are ahead of the enemy.
Don't die!
Our forces control all objectives. The enemy have captured Bravo.
Where are they, man? Oh my god. In every corner, of course.
Be advised, objective Alpha is under enemy control. Enemy forces have secured all objectives.
Gotcha.
The enemy have secured the lead.
Oh my god, where did you come? Peekaboo.
We have captured Alpha. Enemy forces have the advantage. Find a way to gain control.
Gotcha.
I got you!
I'm gonna switch my weapon, maybe. I am alive. I am alive. Come on, guys.
Put ammo for you!
No, sniper, no, sniper, no! Sniper, no, sniper, no. I'm gonna ping your spot. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Guys, you need to play better. Not me.
And they have all the high grounds.
Well, okay.
Kept them in fight.
Okay. Not me. Nice Candy Crush. Let's lock in, guys. Let's lock in. On my left. And me. Nice. Someone's pushing A.
This guy's crazy.
Got it. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
He's on the high ground.
Stop.
Sniper.
A back. He's zip wired. Nice. Oh, we've lost. Nice.
3 more
Good
break-ins.
effort, guys. Good effort, guys. Real fucking shit.
What a grenade, dude. What a grenade. Why do I hear people so far away? Is it my settings or... with direction attention in world which it has reward distancing apply based on nah, let's keep this flat. I think this game mode is good.
Move out and capture the objective. Objective is ready. The objective is under enemy control.
25. What the heck is this? Don't die, I'm coming, don't die!
Enemy forces have secured the objective. All right, we've secured an early advantage. Objective ready.
Man. Oh my god. Campers and root covers. Unbelievable.
Hostiles have the objective.
Wow, this guy is. How do you know I'm him, man? Wow. I'm so surprised with this kind of reactions.
Drag away!
Enemy secured the lead.
I die so fast.
OBJ is active. We've taken the objective.
Oh, why this happens to me always? Nice try, man. Nice try.
Hostiles taking the objective.
Don't die, I'm coming. Don't die. I'm gonna lose my mind. Man, whenever I'm about to shoot someone, I die. Coco, no mueras.
OBJ is active. Hostiles have taken the objective.
Nobody kills this guy? Oh, there are two.
Our forces have secured the objective. The objective is under enemy control.
Why do you give up, man? I died because I tried to rescue you. Why do you give up, guys? Why?
Objective ready.
Let's go! Drop him out!
We've taken the objective.
Oh, you serious, man?
I need a medic! Men, get over here! Take what you can!
Dang, these guys are crazy, man. Of course. Now you are. Now you are. Really, man. I'm gonna lose my mind, man. I swear. Ah.
Enemy forces secured the objective.
Hang in there! Here, thank you.
We have the objective.
Hang in there!
No, man. I played terrible. I swear the way I died was so weird. Whenever I'm about to shoot the guy, I die. Someone else kills me. I wonder if I do better with a different weapon, man. Which weapon is good? I'll keep playing sport. I feel like this weapon is good, but I think we need something else, like faster. Dun, 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 dun.
All squad, capture and hold the objective. Let's move.
This wasn't the weapon I selected. I suck. Why did I have this weapon, man? I select this one.
Be advised, enemy forces are winning the fight. The objective is under control.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't move.
The objective is under enemy control. New objective located.
Nice shot, buddy.
We have the objective.
Nothing, Brad! I need a fucking medic!
I got you!
Get up, man. Get up.
Let's move!
New objective confirmed.
No way.
Hold it down! Medic!
Objective ready.
Fuck! Medic!
Area! Let's go!
I knew you had my back!
Objective is under enemy control. Hostile forces are still ahead in the fight. Let's regroup.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my goodness, man. There are two guys for me. Don't come.
We have the objective.
Get down!
I'm coming, don't die. I hit him first.
Medic!
Groovy.
New OBJ indicated.
Let's go!
Medic! I owe you one!
Objective ready to engage. Hostiles have the objective.
Fuck, man down!
Be advised, the enemy is still winning the fight. Hit back and take control.
Heads up! Hostiles in close!
Hit the surge!
Man down!
We have the objective.
They're winning, man. So hard.
I'm over here! Take it!
Are you serious? This fast?
Found up! I'm fucking hit!
Press and fight.
Control. New objective located. OBJ is active.
Man, stop it. Stop it, please. Let me pick my weapon first.
Need help!
Gotcha. Behind us as well. What's going on?
Stay with me!
Thank you, Ayat.
Let's Thank you so much.
I picked your weapon. Oh no, why did you come from that side? Nah, this is the GG.
Our forces have secured the objective.
Oh my god, how they come from everywhere, man. Someone here, solo. They hold good positions, man. Good job.
New objective marked. Objective is ready.
He's right here. Solo.
Our forces have secured the objective.
If you win this, man, it's gonna be crazy.
You're gonna make it! Hold on!
Objective ready to engage.
It's our turn, bitches.
Hey, come on, Vince.
You are crazy, guys. Holy moly, that's a nice comeback. Look at this guy, 40 kills. Damn. These guys are cooking, man. Holy moly. What was his weapon? Chaos. GZ. Let me see if I have that weapon. GZ. I don't have attachments, dude. Let's see. Has a nice color, huh? All right, so let's see. Custom search. Let's try this one. Oh, look at this map. Hello, hello. I want to try this one, man. How it works. Is it too big? This is a terrible weapon, man. It has crazy recoil. Let's try a small scope. I see you. Super, don't die. Trying to come to you. How do you even... I'm really confused. How these people use this weapon, man? Wow. It's terrible. Yeah, there's one more person. Why I feel like I'm always getting bad position, man. Where I go, it always happens. Wherever I go.
Let's go! Let's move!
Hey, thank you.
Get out of here. You see? You see? Like, where did you come, man? Where did you come from? Ah, there's a spawn beacon. This is my luck, man. It always happens to me, always. No exception, always.
Enemy charges set on objective Alpha.
GG's! I am alive. So this game was already started. I don't understand how these people use this weapon, man. It's so hard. So unstable. Maybe it will get better with level, I don't know. Maybe we should change some attachments. I feel like it is so shaky. I am alive. I am alive. Let's see if it's gonna work better this time. You fire. Let's try this one. Hello, hello.
Charlie is under enemy control.
They're gonna come from this side. We capture your beacon. Oh, how did you see me through the smoke? This is crazy, man.
We need defensive support on the marked objective.
These people have insane reaction time.
Medic!
Everyone is gamer, man.
Go! Take what you can carry.
All right.
Supplies over here.
Why did you ignore me?
Cheers!
Finally.
Thank you. Let's move. I owe you one.
Who's doing that? What's happening?
Enemy forces have secured an advantage.
Hang in there.
I suck, I suck, I suck.
I'm hit. Stay with me. Cheers. Thank you.
We are tracking a big fucking tank to your location.
I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that.
Objective marked. Support the attack.
They are just head glitching, dude. It's got to be.
We are attacking objective Bravo.
Oh my god. I don't see this. Megato. Megato en Dios? What?
Let's move.
Let's try people's weapon, man.
We must gain control. Advise big fucking tank operating in your area.
Sniper caught.
I'm coming, Hunsen, don't die. I'm coming. I got you. Really? Motherfucker, man. I'll try every weapons. I'll try every weapons. These people are so sneaky. How did you go there, Abbas? Abbot. These people have nice scopes, dude. Imagine this scopes, dude. You piece of... I don't know what to tell you. Ah. Where is he? I don't see him, man. Man, it's been 1 hour. You're waiting for a revive. And I don't know how can you be this camper, man. How did you go there?
Need transport! Come on!
You got them. Good job.
Take what you can carry!
The enemy are attacking objective Echo. Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Let's go!
All right, our troops have secured Echo. We now hold more objectives. Secure our defenses.
Okay, I'm tracking a hostile tank in the mission area.
Let's go!
Move to attack the marked objective.
Hişyar, why you always die so far away, man? How do you do that? You're always in impossible places, always far away.
Bro, shut up, please.
Just mute me, Muddy. I'm gonna speak. Did you hear me? Mute me. The car behind.
The enemy now control more objectives.
No medics.
Medic!
There's no medic. I'm coming!
Thank you, brother.
Come on! Have my back! Stop there!
Be advised, hostile forces
my god, what is this weapon, man?
Fucking contact! Get to my position!
We have secured more objectives.
I should have rest first. I don't know.
Come on!
Be advised, Delta has been lost. Attack support is needed on the marked objective.
I got enemy inside!
How come this? I don't know how people hide this well, man. Oh my god. They always do great to hide. I can't see anyone. Thermal. This is thermal. Let's try this one.
There's a hostile tank operating south of your current position.
Let's go to B, guys. B.
Charge set! Stand by!
Gotcha.
Our troops are attacking Delta.
Like, oh my goodness, man. These guys are really pro players
Still control
for hiding.
objectives.
Why it says cheat?
Attack support is needed on the marked
Is someone cheating? Oh my goodness. I wanna cry. I wanna cry, man. Holy shit, this is terrible, man. Terrible experience. Like, if you move, you die. Just don't move. Hide.
The enemy now control more objectives. The enemy have maintained control. Attack support is needed
What
on
had
the marked
happened?
objective.
He disappeared.
I've spotted an enemy tank to your south.
Yep, as you can see, like even if you play careful, there's still someone plays more careful than you.
Enemy down! I'm over here! Take it! Dragon!
Thank you. Okay. They have high ground again.
Hey, got a med kit.
Knew you had my back. Got you!
Get up!
Come on! Frag grenade out!
Behind, behind.
Heavy armor in your mission area.
The way they blocked us is crazy, man.
Our troops have secured more objectives.
Bye bye. Nice shot.
Move to attack the marked objective. We're attacking objective Bravo.
We've neutralized objective Bravo.
I need a fucking medic!
Medic help. Maybe we can go to this guy.
Need to hold the area!
Objective Bravo has been
Flag
secured.
away!
Heads down!
Visual confirmed on A-hole. Fucking tanks bearing east.
Charge leg!
Hope you die, bitch.
Break their hold.
Die!
Run! Explosive ready!
Almost killed you.
Move to attack the marked objective. The enemy have maintained control. Charlie is under enemy control.
Watch out! Enemies nearby!
Be advised, objective Echo is under attack.
I'm here!
Come here, man. Come here.
Charlie has been neutralized. The enemy are attacking Echo.
Averting a hostile attack. I've spotted a hostile MC in our mission area. Be advised, there are enemy rockets in your area.
Enemy tank!
We must recover the mission. Hostiles are close to victory. Hostiles are engaging objective Delta.
Don't rest. It's too risky. I think I like this weapon. But maybe we can make it even better. I don't know how. The bullets is slower. They're so expensive. I really don't have anything, but just this 3 attachments are enough for me to spend all my money. Let's try this way. Otherwise, I cannot see the enemies, man. Cannot detect the enemies. Can't spot them. What does it mean? Unspotted. Everything's on low, but still for me hard to see the enemies. Is this the same game mode or different? Hello, hello.
All squads, you are cleared for enemy comms attack. All targets must be destroyed.
Gotcha. Oh my god, I thought it was my friend.
It's gonna be all right.
Did you kill him?
Come on.
Explosive set on objective Alpha.
There's someone else here. Where? Nice. One more, one more.
Explosives armed on objective Bravo.
Alpha is destroyed. Target next objective. Be advised, attacks are coordinated on the marked objective.
Get him out!
All call signs. Enemy sector has been captured.
Move forward. Assaulting team.
Poor guy.
Attack next sector and secure the enemy positions.
Time to kill of this weapon is not too fast.
Be advised, we need attack support on the marked objective.
Where is he?
Charges set on objective Alpha. Blast successful. Alpha is destroyed.
It sucks when all the enemies are just camping.
Charges on Bravo.
Okay.
Hostiles have disarmed our explosives on Bravo.
Grab what you can! You had my back!
Oh my god, sniper!
Taking a sector. Hostiles retreating. Sweep the area for all remaining hostiles.
Explosive set!
You better die.
Hostiles are mounting their defense in final sector. All elements attack.
I can't see anyone. Oh, I'm not medic now.
Objective.
I'm not medic. Goodbye.
We set charges on Bravo.
Oh my goodness.
Hostiles have disarmed our explosives on Bravo.
Explosive ready!
Good job, man. What?
We need attack support on the marked objective. We've armed explosives on Bravo.
Building! Direct hit! Run away!
Get back to your team.
GG's. What? Carrier best? What does it mean? More optics, more stuff, nice. Ugh. The match is already started.
All squads, hostile forces set up comms in the area. Locate explosives and eliminate their network. Be advised, our terminals must remain fully operational. Be advised, hostiles have secured the explosives.
Who's your rep?
All call signs, aircraft now ready for deployment.
Oh my goodness, man. I'm the most lucky person ever for snipers. Most lucky. I always eat all the shots.
Fuck! Medic!
I think we don't care about mission. Just kill enemies.
Objective Alpha.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Hostiles disarmed our explosive on objective Alpha. Retrieving explosive on Alpha.
Heal tank, heal tank.
Explosive set!
Man.
Heads up, explosive almost ready.
Man, what is this?
Explosive device ready for pickup. Secure the device. Move to the objective.
Medic!
Oh, helicopter killed me. Can I get this robot? Robot. He's very low, man.
Armed and explosive.
We're low, man. We're low. Why this happens to me always? Why? I want to get this rope. I need to this. I need this tank or whatever.
I need a medic, بسرعة!
Basara, help me, Basara.
Maintain your attack.
Shucks, help me, buddy. I'm still so young.
Join objective Bravo. Keep it going.
I need a medic!
Thank you, thank you.
Let's move!
I'm gonna buy you a coffee later. I'm blind.
Drago!
Can I not get shot, please, for the first time whenever I shoot someone?
Secure the explosive. ASAP.
All that effort for nothing. Da-dun-dun, da-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Contact! Enemy helicopter! I got eyes on enemy tank!
There's someone here. Oh, I don't get it, man. Like, why me, man? Why me? Am I too big? Everybody sees me? I wanna get this and kill all the assholes flying objects. I see you. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. I will just focus on this fly objects. It will take a while. I think they are annoying, man. Helicopters. Save me, save you. Save you, save me. We'll spam the space button. Got it. Come here. Don't come here. This guy is smart. He's not dying. He's a good pilot. There are two of them. Turn. Gotcha. Goodbye. Did they help our friend? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is the guy who I killed. The pilot. Man, this weapon sucks. We get rid of some of the let's get closer. Where are you gonna go?
Multiple explosive devices are active. Explosive device available soon.
This guy's never want to die. Get closer. doing this?
Need reversing!
I thought he died to helicopter. What is the difference between I'm gonna lose my mind. Go with tank. Someone's gonna die. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Come, get the tank, get the tank, get in the tank. Get, come.
Enemy helicopter down! Oh shit, look out!
Come.
Enemy explosive arms on objective Delta. We've defused the explosive on objective Delta.
Where'd they come from, man?
The enemy's armed and explosive on Delta.
This game was terrible, man. Unplayable.